Hello everyone, today we will be looking at SAP Ariba Procurement Tutorial, how to streamline purchasing and sourcing. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, organizations are increasingly turning to digital solutions to streamline procurement processes, enhance supplier collaboration, and achieve greater operational efficiency. Managing procurement manually can be time-consuming, prone to errors, and inefficient, especially for businesses dealing with multiple suppliers, large inventories, and strict compliance requirements. SAP Ariba stands at the forefront of these solutions, offering a comprehensive cloud-based procurement platform designed to simplify and optimize procurement workflows. By integrating various spend categories, leveraging intelligent technologies, and automating complex procurement tasks, SAP Ariba provides businesses with greater control, visibility, and efficiency in their purchasing processes. This means employees can seamlessly search for goods and services, collaborate with suppliers in real time, and manage approvals and invoices with minimal manual intervention. Moreover, SAP Ariba fosters a more strategic approach to procurement by offering data-driven insights, risk management tools, and seamless integration with enterprise resource planning or ERP systems, allowing businesses to make more informed purchasing decisions. Whether you are a small business aiming to streamline procurement or a large enterprise looking to scale and improve supplier relationships, SAP Ariba provides a robust and scalable solution to meet your needs. Whether you are new to SAP Ariba or looking to deepen your understanding of its capabilities, this tutorial will guide you through its key features, benefits, and the reasons it has become a preferred choice for organizations worldwide. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of how SAP Ariba can transform procurement processes, reduce costs, and enhance overall business efficiency. So, for its key features and benefits, first is comprehensive procurement management. SAP Ariba offers a unified platform that connects all spend categories, integrating intelligent technology to automate complex workflows. This allows employees to efficiently search for goods and services, collaborate with suppliers, and manage approvals and invoices. This streamlines procurement processes, reduces manual intervention, and enhances operational efficiency. Another key feature is supplier collaboration. The platform facilitates seamless collaboration between buyers and suppliers, enabling real-time communication and efficient transaction management. This strengthens supplier relationships, improves negotiation outcomes, and ensures timely procurement cycles. Another key feature is compliance and risk management. SAP Ariba helps organizations adapt to global markets by incorporating tax and compliance regulations into procurement processes. This ensures that purchases align with both internal policies and external legal requirements. This mitigates risk associated with non-compliance and enhances the organization's reputation. Another key feature is guided buying. The guided buying feature simplifies the purchasing experience by directing users to preferred suppliers and compliant purchasing options. This intuitive interface ensures that employees make informed decisions aligned with company policies. This promotes policy compliance, reduces maverick spending, and enhances user satisfaction. Another key feature is catalog management. SAP Ariba's catalog management allows for the efficient handling of product catalogs, ensuring that users have access to approved items and services. This feature supports both static and punch-out catalogs, offering flexibility in procurement. This ensures procurement of approved items, maintains consistency in purchasing, and simplifies the buying process. Another key feature is Spot Buy. The Spot Buy capability enables organizations to make one-time purchases for non-contracted goods and services. This feature provides access to a broad supplier network, ensuring competitive pricing and quick procurement. This addresses immediate procurement needs without lengthy contract negotiations, saving time and resources. Another key feature is analytics and reporting. The platform offers robust analytics and reporting tools that provide insights into spending patterns, supplier performance, and procurement efficiency. This insight supports data-driven decision-making and strategic planning. This identifies cost-saving opportunities, monitors compliance, and enhances overall procurement strategy. Why is SAP Ariba a great choice? SAP Ariba distinguishes itself as a leading procurement solution due to its comprehensive features, robust functionality, and cloud-based architecture, making it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. Unlike traditional procurement systems that require extensive on-premise infrastructure and manual intervention, SAP Ariba operates entirely in the cloud, ensuring seamless access, scalability, and flexibility. This cloud-based approach eliminates the need for costly IT maintenance, allowing organizations to focus on strategic procurement initiatives rather than system upkeep. One of SAP Ariba's most significant advantages is its seamless integration with other SAP ERP products, such as SAP S4HANA and SAP Business Network. Unlike many other procurement solutions that require additional middleware or complex configuration to work with enterprise resource planning or ERP systems, SAP Ariba is designed to integrate effortlessly, ensuring a smooth flow of procurement data across different departments and business functions. This level of integration enhances operational efficiency, improves data accuracy, and reduces processing time for purchase orders, invoices, and approvals. The platform's out-of-the-box functionality caters to both buyers and suppliers, facilitating efficient business transactions through a centralized and user-friendly interface. Buyers can easily manage procurement tasks, source suppliers, track spending, and ensure compliance with internal policies and external regulations. On the other hand, suppliers benefit from increased visibility into procurement requests, better collaboration opportunities, and a more structured way to manage contracts and negotiations. Additionally, SAP Ariba offers extensive customization options to meet specific business requirements. Organizations can tailor the platform to align with their unique procurement workflows, supplier management strategies, and compliance standards. Whether a company requires custom approval processes, detailed spend analytics, or industry-specific procurement configurations, SAP Ariba provides the necessary tools and flexibility to adapt to different business needs. Furthermore, the platform supports a wide range of procurement functions, including contract management, supplier risk assessment, guided buying, and spend analysis. By leveraging intelligent automation, AI-driven insights, and digital procurement tools, businesses can optimize supplier relationships, minimize procurement risk, and drive cost savings. Overall, SAP Ariba is more than just a procurement tool. It is a comprehensive procurement management solution that enables organizations to transform their purchasing operations, enhance collaboration with suppliers, and achieve greater financial control. With its cloud-based nature, deep ERP integration, and customizable features, SAP Ariba continues to be the preferred choice for businesses looking to modernize and streamline their procurement strategies. By leveraging SAP Ariba, organizations gain greater visibility into procurement processes, enhance supplier collaboration, and ensure compliance with global standards. In today's competitive market, procurement is a strategic function that impacts cost efficiency and business performance. SAP Ariba provides real-time insights, enabling businesses to track spending, optimize supplier negotiations, and make data-driven decisions. A key advantage is its ability to streamline supplier collaboration through a transparent procurement ecosystem. Organizations can connect with a vast supplier network, automate workflows, and reduce cycle times, strengthening relationships and improving efficiency. Additionally, SAP Ariba simplifies compliance by embedding regulatory requirements into procurement processes, ensuring adherence to tax laws, trade policies, and corporate guidelines. Its user-friendly interface makes procurement tasks intuitive, allowing employees to search for goods, submit requests, and track approvals seamlessly. Advanced features like guided buying, spend analysis, and supplier risk management help reduce costs, improve efficiency, and mitigate supply chain disruptions. More than just a procurement platform, SAP Ariba drives digital transformation, helping organizations optimize costs, strengthen supplier relationships, and navigate complex procurement challenges with agility and confidence. Basically, mastering digital procurement processes is essential for organizations seeking efficiency, compliance, and strategic advantage. SAP Ariba offers a robust platform that not only streamlines procurement activities but also fosters stronger supplier relationships and informed decision-making. By adopting SAP Ariba, businesses position themselves to navigate the complexities of modern procurement with confidence and agility. So embark on your digital procurement journey with SAP Ariba and transform the way your organization manages its procurement processes. What are you waiting for? Do your things now. And that is all there is on SAP Ariba procurement tutorial. how to streamline purchasing and sourcing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.